keep I mean linked list, but this year my planning is that I will not keep any, because this is a different kind of group system that has been started from the last year. So that's why I think I should drop this. I should not include any assignment on linked list right now. Okay. So the next, the assignment number 9, that will just cover some dynamic memory allocation and file. Okay. So I think the file will be covered in between. So very simple 3 to 4 questions from file. Okay. File. How to handle file using C language. Very simple questions. Even I am telling you that that I will give you as assignment, that may come in theory also as some programming questions. Okay, from file, because these are the standard common questions that professors like to set. Very simple questions. Okay, so this is our planning. So I will give more than 7 days for assignment number 8. Say for 2 weeks, if I just allocate, or 10 days, for example, then up to today 17th, today is 10th, so 17th, 24th. So you will get time up to 24th for the 8th, and say more 2 weeks for the next assignment. So 24th, 31st, and 7th. Okay. So probably the last date of submission I will manage in such a way that it will be, say, for example, 5th of this month. 5th of this month. Okay. Sorry, the next month, 5th of this next month. So by 7th, we will be able to complete all the, I mean, assignments. So that is our planning. So you need to know, you must be aware of the planning. Okay, because that is very important. So I can tell you that if you solve all these assignments, then you will be able to answer all the questions that will come in your, I mean, theoretical exam. You will be able to answer all the programming parts. Okay, so by 7th we will be able to complete our lab. So I will not take any more lab after 7th, and if possible, I will just as per your good, I mean, discussion with you. If required, I can just drop that last lab also as per your requirement. So that will be decided later. But this is our plan. 2 assignments. So one, the assignment 8 from string and structure, and assignment 9, that is from dynamic memory allocation and file system, file handling in C. Okay, so this is our plan, and alongside, I will just start taking Viva after, say, 5 days. So I should give you 5 days. So whatever, say for example, today I am just giving you the assignment number 8. So your exam in your, I mean, what your Viva, I will not ask anything out of, I mean, up to that, whatever assignment I will give you, I will ask you questions from that section only. Okay, I mean, and the next week when I will submit the assignment of dynamic memory allocation on file. Okay, one thing you need to confirm me. So, is dynamic memory allocation covered in your theoretical classes? Dynamic memory allocation, anyone from you?
No, sir.
Okay, so in that case, I will not ask questions from dynamic memory allocation, and also file handling is not covered right now. So only up to structure, I think so. Up to structure, Sarah has
Yes,
covered.
sir. File is not.
File and dynamic memory allocation is not covered. So I will talk it with
Yes,
your
sir.
professor. Will
Until
cover
structure, sir.
still structure. Okay, fine. Okay, you just follow whatever he is just conveying to you. He is just saying. So you just strictly follow him, because they will prepare the theoretical questions. But for the lab, I am the only person who will just give you the marks. Okay, so this is our planning. This is our planning, and you try to attend the next labs also, because I have to complete the Viva of all of you. So you keep in your mind that within by 1 or 2 days you will get that list, and maybe your name will be in that particular list of Viva. I mean, name of five to seven students. The list of 5 to 7 students I will give there. So you start preparing right now for your Viva, because Viva is a very important thing. Okay, so so those who have submitted their assignments properly and have not copied from others, they don't have any chance of getting less than 50%, less than 60%. So most of the students will get above 60%. So because this is a session alone, na, I cannot make you fail as per my wish, depending on only on the basis of Viva. That's fine, but to have good score, to have the better marks, you have to attend the Viva. So all the students have to appear there Viva. Otherwise, your the result will be incomplete. I am just intimating you once again. I am telling you, without Viva, your result will be incomplete. So there are three status of: one is fail, another is, some marks. That means the fail means below 50%, and another is pass, and another status, one status is absent. So the student is not appearing throughout the semester, so he will be absent, not a single attendance. He will be absent, and that will be considered as fail. Okay, absent means that is fail, and less than 50%, that is fail. Maybe you got, as per your sessional assessment, your assignments, you got 70%, but you do not appear, you will not appear, for example, in your lab Viva. Then your status will be I, incomplete. Okay, incomplete. Okay, and then incomplete again. That is a very difficult situation. Your result will not be published in that particular case, for that particular, incomplete cases. Then it will just move on to the DUGC, Departmental Undergraduate Committee. So again, in that committee, from CS, I am there in that Departmental Undergraduate Committee. From other department, other professors are there. There will be a problem. So I'm suggesting you to attend the Viva positively. Positively. So let us now start. Well, this is the overall our planning in this semester. Okay. So now you see the assignment. What assignment I have given? The assignment 7, the last assignment that I have assigned in your Google Classroom. That was assignment 7. And last date of submission. What was the last date of submission for your? Okay, let me check. I think
This Sunday, sir.
Sunday. That is. Let me check everything and let me assign the assignment number 8. Okay, that is March 13th March. The due date was 30th. So with request of some other students, I have changed it to March 13th. So today is 10th. So you have 3 more days with you to submit the assignment number 7. So you check in your Google Classroom. The assignment on function in C, assignment number 7. Due date is March 13th, 11:59. Okay. So I am just assigning another assignment today. That is assignment 8, and that is on. So assignment number 8. Let me assign right now. Assignment number. Be serious, you will get very good marks. Okay, because every time I keep some marks for sincerity and seriousness. That I just observe every time. So some marks that, and that belongs to the domain of teacher's assessment. So every professor, they consider this. Okay, I'm telling you, that is very confidential. Okay, okay. So assignment number 8, I am uploading it. Those who have completed, they can start. So I should give, I think, 2 weeks for that. I should give 2 weeks, because 13th is the due date for the current assignment. So I should. So you just try to remember. I am just listening. Whatever you are asking, whatever you are date you are preferring, I am just allowing that. So every time, without a single question, I have extended the date of submission. So you can, so you are to be positive. Okay. Mm, I am with you in this regard. I'm a little flexible in this regard, but if you don't appear, then I will not be so flexible because that is not in my hand. That is the rules and regulations that you are to follow. No. So that I cannot. What I can do, I for you. Okay. Say for example, you have a problem of grading for 1 mark. I will give one mark, one or so 2% I can give. Okay. Say for lab is for say 50 marks, then I can give you 1 mark as a grace mark to change your grade from a lower one to the higher one. If you fail for 1 mark, I can give you that. For 100 marks, I can give maximum 2 marks. I can give you, but uh, I can't do more than that. Okay, so you try to think. So the environment will be better with the combined, I mean, effort of both students and professors. Okay, so both have to be okay. Okay, okay. Let me keep. Let me keep, and it's very after more than 2 years. So we'll meet on 21st physically, but not in your case, not in your case. But you try to think the fourth year students, the third year students, they are out of the institutions for more than that is a very, and it is very, I mean, it has impact on the courses like yours because it is, it is, they are unable to attend their labs right now. So very okay. Assignment number 8.pdf. I'm assigning that. Hmm. Those who have completed, and I'm keeping 20 marks for that. Okay. 20 marks for that. 20, 20 marks for that. And due date, uh, I'm giving you. So today is 10th, so 17th, 24th. Okay, so you try to complete within 24th, 11:59. Okay, 24th March. So I'm giving you uh, 2 weeks for that. And I know that within 10 days, most of the students will be, those who will try, will be able to complete within 10 days. Surely, surely. So 14 days I'm giving you. And the topic, create topic. Topic is string, string, string and structure. Okay, string and okay. Now you check. I have assigned. Those who have completed, so they may start writing programs on assignment 8. Okay, let me check once again. I will come to this assignment. Before that, okay, okay, okay. Yes, yes, it has been uploaded. Now you check. Okay, I have uploaded that. I have uploaded
Yes, sir,
now.
got it.
Got it, na? Okay, now, 1 minute. You wait for 1 minute. You just have a read the assignment number 8. So you take 2 to 3 minutes, so 5 minutes to so 4:20 or 4 minutes you take to read the assignment. So all of you just read, and in between I will just have a look for the some other thing. Okay, so within 4 minutes, I will come back up to after 4 minutes, 4:20. So you just read out the assignment number 8 once, and you check whether everything is covered or not. I think everything is covered. And then I will come back to assignment number 7 and ask you to share your screen and note down your names. Hmm? Note down your names. Okay. So from 4:20, I will just ask you to share your screen. I think your group 5 is very good. Very good batch. Many sincere students are there. Okay. At least I am happy with you. Okay. Okay. You check the assignment. Okay. Hmm. Hello, Marnab. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
So you are saying your exam will be started from 14th April,
No, sir. 18 April, I think.
18th April, because you see, 14th April, how can it be? It is the Mahavir Jayanti. You see, my screen is visible to all of you, na? My screen is
Yes,
visible.
sir.
Yes, sir.
You see, this
Yes,
is
sir. Yes, sir.
you have this list with you, na?
Yes,
So,
sir.
so you see that 18th March I will not take any viva on that. So because that is 18th, 19th I will not take any viva because you see that is some holy and you know. So 18th on that I will not take. So I think your exam will not be started from 14th because it's a holiday and then Good Friday. So 18th is Friday, 15th is Friday, then Saturday, Sunday. Yes, it will be started from 18th, I think so. Okay, in that case,
Yes, sir. 18 to 22.
that will be because in that case I can we can uh, just continue our lab up to 7th. No, that you just 14th is a holiday, Morbid Jayanti. So surely up to 7th, we have to, the last lab will be on 7th of April. Okay, no problem. So we can 7th, and then you will have 10 more days with you. And one thing, so you don't have any post mid sem. I mean, no I mean, the classes will be continued, na? Because
Yes, sir.
for other years, you see another academic calendar is with me, that is not with you probably. You see, this is another academic calendar, but you see where it has been written. This planning is very important. You see, it has been written that from 13th to mid-semester break UG/PG classes. You see, from 13th to 20th there is a break, and then the students will join the institution on 21st. So that's why they will join on 21st. You see, this is a gap in between break, mid-semester break. End of all classes, theoretical and practical. That is for 29th April. That is for the other students, the fourth year, fourth semester, sixth semester, eighth semester, and for your case, it has not been. Nothing is to be decided later, and that has been decided because you are lagging by. I mean, you. That's why the decision has been taken. So you don't have any break, na? So you just confirm me that you don't have any break in
No, sir,
between.
no break.
No break, na? Okay, okay. So you see their break is from 13th to 20th. Okay, in that case, no problem. So this is our planning. The last lab will be on 7th of April, and we will complete everything by 7th, and maybe some the lab viva will also be completed by 7th April, and in some cases it may be extended up to maximum. It may be extended up to say 10th maximum. Okay. So these 3 days for any emergency purposes. Okay. Not so up by 7th we will complete our viva. Okay. Now I am just withdrawing my screen, and you are to share your screen. Okay, you are to share your screen. Let me open the assignment number 7. Let me check which one should I ask. Okay, no one has. Okay. Only 5 students have submitted. Turned in. We call it as turned in. 5 students out of 86. Right now, how many students you are attending the classes? Some I just noticed that some of the students has left the institution. Right now, I think 91 students they are continuing. 91 students, I think so. Shreyas, are you there in the meeting? Shreyas?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so do you have any idea regarding that? How many students are actually continuing?
Sir, I have like only one person contacted me. Like he was
Hmm.
like he's continuing in medical sciences, so that's why
Hmm.
he left. So I just know
Okay.
about that.
Okay, but during your admission, I can. Okay, this is the new batch. Now I'm just thinking for computer science. There are more than 100 students who was admitted at that time. Okay. So, mm, assignment number 7. Only 5 students have turned in. So I request others to turn in by 13th. Okay, positively by 13th, because already another overhead is on your head. That is assignment number 8, and that is number 8. That is little bit difficult than assignment number 7. Okay, but you have to try. So let me open assignment. Let me check the assignment number uh, 7. Before that, I should give you one report on who are. Okay, let me give one mm, report. Okay, you wait. Now I will give you that report, but before that, just directly I will come to assignment number 6. All of assignment number 6. Sorry, program 6 of assignment number 7. Write a function in C that will swap the contents of 2 variables. You see, you know how to swap the contents of 2 variables. Say, for example, x is 5 and y is 6. After swapping, x will be 6, y will be 5. All of you know that. You know how to do that. You know. So, in assignment number 1 or 2, you have completed that. Okay. But right now, you have to do that with the help of a function. So, how you do that? call the function from main. So you call a function from main, that is for example swap, you call the function from main, and you are not allowed to print the swap value from that function. You are to print the final value of these two variables, say for example x and y from main. Okay, that means you have to write a function that will, I mean, accept two addresses. So you have to pass two addresses of these two variables. We call that as call by addresses. So you have to pass two addresses, the address of x and y to the function, and the function will, I mean, change the values in directly in their addresses, in their locations in the, I mean, you have to, your function will reach to that the address of x and y and change the contents there, such that you don't need to return any value, because you will not be able to return two values. Return keyword, and then only one value you can return. Return x only. You cannot return both x and y together. So return always returns a single value. Okay. So you cannot return more than one value. So you will not be able to return two values from the called function swap. So what you have to do, you have to pass the addresses of x and y of, I mean, two variables x and y. The function will accept these two addresses. With the help of that function, you have to reach to their memory locations. You have to directly change the contents of this to that particular locations. The values, two values are to be exchanged. Then you don't need to return any value to the main. Okay. Okay. So you concentrate on assignment number 6. You have a look, and if you have already completed, then I will ask you to just you have a look. You take 1 or 2 minutes if you don't have written. So I think all of you have written that program, assignment number 6, program number 6 in assignment 7. So I will ask you to share your screen for this one. Okay, the 6th assignment, program number 6, and then I will ask you to share program number 8. Okay, 6, 8. You see some recursive functions. A function that calls itself is called a recursive function. If a function fun calls fun within its own body, then we call it a recursive function, provided, I mean, the conditional, the condition must be given that there must be some exit path, some base condition, some terminating condition. Otherwise, what will happen? The function will call itself one again and again, and it will be an infinite process. But in theoretically, it will not be an infinite process, because after some time the stack overflow will occur. I mean, so when we call a function, its address is saved in some stack. We use a stack to save the addresses. Whenever some function will be called, the addresses of that particular location will be saved in stack. And if you call the function again and again, the addresses will be saved in stack. Sometimes the size of the stack will be over. So we call that as stack overflow. So then in that case, the program will be terminated automatically, and you will give the message that stack overflow occurred. Okay, so that's why you have to keep one condition within the function, within the recursive function, that will break this infinite calling sequence with the help of a particular condition. Okay, we will come to that point. Your sir has covered in your theoretical classes. So I will ask you to share 6, 8, and let me check, and 10. Okay, 6, 8, 10, and so these three will be shared by 3 into 2. So at least six students will be able to share. 6 to 10 students will be able to share for this 6, 8, and 10. Okay, so for the sixth one first, anyone from you right now is able to share your screen to show the,
Sir,
Sir, can I share?
okay, There was, what is roll number? Computer science 69 and electrical Priyanshu. Priyanshu you have shared in the previous class. And 69, what's your name? Bezuada, no?
Hamsa Tejaswini, sir.
Okay. So Hamsa Tejaswini. Okay. So you also have shared in earlier cases. So any other students except these two? Except these two?
Sir, can I show? Sir, number 6.
Roshan already shared earlier cases. Six,
Okay,
number six.
okay, sir.
More now,
Sir, can I,
now.
sir?
Okay,
Question
you have
number 6.
shared in many cases. You have shared. Okay, except these, any other students? Because we have to give chances to others also, no?
Sir, can I share?
Who is there? Somokanti Odhikari. Somokanti, you are from Applied Mechanics, na? Okay,
Sir,
so,
aerospace.
aerospace, Applied Mechanics. Okay, Somokanti, you let me note down your no roll number. Okay, you give me one. You give me one.
Sir, can I?
Who is there? Abrodeep, you have shared earlier. Okay, Somokanti will share first, then I will come to others. Okay, Somokanti, 29, Applied Mechanics, Aerospace and Applied Mechanics. Somokanti. Those who have not given their attendance, please give your attendance. Somokanti, you share. Okay, yes. It's let us check what he has done. Swap AV, no. I think you have done some mistake. No. Let me check. Yes, this is not the correct way of solving this problem. Okay, we want to check the assignment number. Yes. You go below. Now you see, Somokanti. You see. You read the question once again. Then you will find yourself what is the problem in your program. I asked you to print the swapped values. After swapping, you have to print the values from main only. You have used call by value, but the question
Yes, sir.
is for call by addresses, na?
Yes, sir.
So in that case, your program is not correct. Okay, so you have to pass to addresses. So okay, Somokanti, the next time you come with your correct answer, you will get chance after this. But next, Abrodeep. Okay, Abrodeep, you
Sir, can I
have
show?
you? Okay. Who are you?
Sir, Tariq,
Tariq.
2012.
Okay. Tariq, you say civil engineering. Tariq 82. Okay. Tariq, you show.
Yes. Is
Tariq,
it
you also
visible,
have
sir?
shared. You also have shared earlier. Okay. You. Tariq, you share.
Is it visible, sir?
અહીંયા નંબર આયા તો हम कहें कि नया नंबर है
Okay, it's correct. Now you run the program.
दूसरा है हाँ यही सर ठीक है ठीक अस्सलाम वालेकुम
Okay. Yeah. Run once again. Two other values and. So, is it giving some warning?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Okay. It's correct. You withdraw your screen and the next. Any other student? New faces. Any new face? Okay, Priyangshu want to share. Priyangshu, no. Abhradeep, okay, Abhradeep, you share your screen.
Yes, sir.
Today I will come to Shreyas because Shreyas in the previous class we requested. Okay, now you Abhradeep Niyogi, electronics, roll number 40.
Yes, sir. Please wait.
You just do it. You have chance to get marks, but you are not accepting. So I am giving chance to all the students to just they are not coming forward to accept this challenge. Okay.
Sir, actually, I have joined from phone today. So,
Okay. Okay. In that case, I will not come to you today. In the next some other class. Okay. Okay. Abhradeep, you shared your screen. Okay. Shared. Shared. Okay. I cannot see right now. Abhradeep, I think he is not in this meeting. Abhradeep. So Abhradeep is there in the meeting. The screen is
Sir, I
not.
just left. Sorry, sir.
Oh, okay, okay, you do it. You do it. And so right now it's still.
Is it
Okay.
visible, sir?
No. Yes, 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 Abhradeep. Yes, let me check. Swap. Again, you see Abhradeep, that is wrong one. Okay. Abhradeep, you see, I asked you to print the swapped values from uh, main, but you are printing the
Yes,
swap
sir.
values from that function. So that is not the correct answer. Okay. So in that case, this one is wrong. Okay. So Abhradeep, you just the previous student who shared that was the correct one. Okay. Tariq,
But I
Tariq.
am scanning from main.
Okay, you are scanning from main, but and you have to print the swap values from main also. I mean, you have to use call by addresses. You have to pass the swap ampersand a ampersand b, and then in void swap int star a int star b, and then star a equals to star b. I mean, temp equals to star a equals to star b equals to temp. That should be the and then you print from main because this is purely a question from call by addresses. You have to pass the addresses, not by call by value. You just read the question once again, you will understand. Okay, in that case, three students shared out of three. The only Tariq done it correctly. Now, Lawson, so have you written it using call by addresses? Okay, so Abhradeep, you will get chance later also. You right now you stop sharing. So Lawson, have you just done it using pointers? Okay, Lawson is not there. In that case,
No,
Mohanna.
sir. Actually, I didn't save it. I wrote it just now. Then I cancelled it.
Okay, 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 okay. Then Mohanna, you have used pointers. Have you used pointers, Mohanna?
Sir, can I show, sir?
So yeah, first you tell me whether you have used pointers or not. I mean, you have passed the addresses there or just the values there. Yes, yes, it's correct. It's correct. It's correct. It's correct. You run the program. Run the program. Yes, correct. Mohanna is a good student. Okay, okay, it's correct. It's correct. Okay, now you stop sharing. Stop sharing. Now I will just come to you after 4 minutes. You prepare for program number 8. So for this one, already four students have shared. Two of them are correct and two of them are wrong. So I will come to program number 8 after 4 minutes. Okay, so you take time. So within 4 minutes, you be prepared. And if you want more time, I can give you. But I think 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, 4:45, 4:46, I will come back and ask you to share your screen. You be prepared. You be prepared. Okay, we'll make it 4:50. Okay, 4:50. So question number 8. Those who want to get some extra marks, I mean good marks in other sections of the marks. Okay, Maupriya Naya, Maupriya, it's okay. Okay, not by right now. So I will come to you. Already shared in the earlier cases. Okay, so let other new students. Okay, new students. Okay, many hands raised by the students. Okay, in that case, I wait for 3 minutes more. Okay, 3 minutes more. So 4:45, I will come to Abhishek, then Subhash Chandra, Subhashis Chandra. Okay, I will come to Subhashis Chandra. Kartikeyan already shared earlier cases.
Sir, me please.
Okay, you. So you just keep it.
Sir, question number 8 or assignment number 8?
Question number 8. Question number 8 of assignment 7.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So Raj Saha from Computer Science 65, and Abhishek from MMB 28, and another student Subhasis. Okay, these three will. So first Subhasis, then Abhishek, then Raj. The three students will share their screen to show 8. Okay, I am also just taking a note of the students, those who want to. Riddhi Raj also want to share, but in earlier many cases Riddhi has shared his screens. Krishna Kunal, he also shared. So these three students that I so Subhasis Chandra, Civil Engineering 95, then MMB 028 Abhishek, and then Raj Saha from Computer Science. These three students will share one by one. Okay, let Subhasis. Are you prepared right now, Subhasis?
Yes, sir, but screen is not seen.
Okay, in that case, I will come to Abhishek. So Abhishek, then Raj Saha, then Subhasis. Subhasis, have you shared?
No, sir.
Okay, so Abhishek, are you prepared to share right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Abhishek, you share. That means that many students have completed the assignment, all the assignments. Very good, Abhishek. Abhishek, then Raj Saha, then Subhasis.
Sir, is it visible?
Yes. Okay, let me check. This is not the 8.
Yes, sir, it is 8 factorial 1.
Yes. Correct. So if it is 1, factorial 1 is 1, and
factorial 0 is 1.
0 is also 1. So this is called exit path. Very good, Abhishek. You see, if n equals to 1 or n equals to 0, then return 1. What is the meaning of that? That means if you your input
factorial 1 or 0, then return will be 1.
Sure. Very good. This is called exit path. I mean, this is the terminating condition. Base case. This is the base case. Your function will call again and again. So, say for example, factorial 3 you want to. So n is 3. So 3 factorial 3. That means so 3 into 50. 3 into factorial 2. So factorial 2 will be called. It will give you 2 into factorial 1. Then factorial 1 will be called. So then in that case it will return 1. So the calling sequence will be terminated. Okay, very good. So factorial of %d. Now you run the program. Very good. This one is so simple, but very important.
Sir, you will tell number or I will take any number?
Any number. Yes, it's correct. Now, say for example, now I am just looking another aspect of writing programs. that I have not imposed that condition on you in the assignments. But say, for example, someone input some negative number,
Negative
then
number.
negative number, then what will happen? Then this program will not be effective for negative numbers. Actually,
So
that is
we have to make one more condition for that.
so actually, I have not asked that also to you because in our next, when you join some company, when you just will be in your, I mean, you will be some programmer in some company, then you have to consider all these cases. Okay. So if some wrong input, I mean, handling the inputs, if some input is wrong, then you have to handle that properly. So in that case, if the n is negative one less than 0, then you have to pay. You have entered wrong input. At least that is to be. But I have not asked that to write you. So your program is correct. You will get full marks in that case. But I am telling you, you just keep in your mind that you try to do it from the next classes. You try to incorporate how to handle the wrong inputs. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much, Abhishek. You will.
Okay, sir. From next time I will
Okay,
manage it.
okay. That is not mandatory right now,
Thank you, sir.
but that should be.
Can I
Okay.
share, sir?
Yes. No, no, no. Rahul Kumar, no. Already I mentioned who will share. Raj, you share your screen. Okay. Raj Saha. He is from computer science. Raj, are you there? You unmute? Yes.
Yes, sir, I'm there, sir. I'm trying to share.
Yes, yes, yes. Very good. It is not coming, Raj. Now it is. It is coming. Okay. Let me check. Okay. So you run the program. Run the program. Give one number. What number you have supplied? 8 or 9? It is not
8,
Sir,
sir.
8.
8. Okay. Now you enter 0. Let me check. 0. Okay. Now you withdraw your screen. Then the next. Subhasis.
Sandeep.
Yes, Subhasis. Very quickly you do it. Because I will come to the last program after this. This is so easy. Okay, Rahul, are you ready to share Fibonacci, recursive Fibonacci? Recursive Fibonacci? You
No,
check.
sir, actually 8 numbers.
No, that is not 8. That is
Actually.
probably 7th. Fibonacci.
Sir, I have made it. If you allow,
No,
I will
no,
share.
you have already shared many. Okay, okay.
So
Rahul,
the,
yes, it's there. It's there. Oh, hmm. No, Rahul, what you have done? Let me check. Yes, the program is correct, but you don't take input like this. Okay, you have to accept a number through keyboard only. Huh? Uh, Subhasis, na? Okay, Subhasis. Subhasis, I am the
yes,
thing
sir.
is, you have written the function correctly. I am telling you, you have to accept the number through keyboard.
Okay.
The screen is not visible. Yes, you keep the screen like this. If n equals to 1, but you have not considered the case of 0. If n equals to 0, you just replace n equals to 1 by 0. No, no, no. So just n equals to 0. Just you make it the n you have written equals to 1. You make it equals to 0. So that will work also. One extra calling will happen that in the earlier cases what who is sharing right now? Subhasis. So Abhishek and Raj, what they have written, that will save one extra calling, but still it will work. to avoid infinite. Okay, you run the program. Five, 4, 6. 5, 4, 6 factorial. Factorial minus 1. Okay. Okay. So now I suggest you, Subhasis, you have written the program function correctly, but I suggest you to accept the number to keyboard to find out. You got my point, na, Subhasis? You
Yes, sir.
unmute. Yes, you got my
Yes,
point, na?
sir.
Okay, you
Okay.
just do it, then it will be absolutely correct. Instead of writing statically that 5, 6, 5, 4, 6 there, you just accept some value through keyboard and do it. Okay. Okay, you just stop sharing. Now, the next, I will.
Sir, I can share recursive problem. Definitely recursive.
So 7, you can share 7. I mean,
Definitely silly वाला sir.
Riddhiraj again raising hand. So the next problem is 10, but I am asking you, will you be able to share the recursive Fibonacci numbers that you can do?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you share. Then you share. Okay, Riddhiraj, I come to you for the next 10th question. Question number 10. Have you done that, Riddhiraj? Okay, Rahul,
Yes,
will
sir.
share. Okay, I will come to you. That means you have submitted. You have turned in, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, only 3 students have turned in. Let me check.
Yes, sir.
Give me 30 seconds to complete a call. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you share your screen.
Yes, I already share.
Yes, now let me check. So n equals to 1 or n equals to 2, return n minus 1. Yes, these are the terminating condition, correct. Then fib recursive n minus 1, yes, correct. So you see that in Fibonacci numbers, if you want to find out the fib n, that will be the sum of the previous two Fibonacci numbers. So you have done it correctly, and you are a good student. So fib recursive n minus 1 plus fib recursive n minus 2 means that will perform the, will try to find out the sum of the previous two terms, and in turn they will try to find out their previous terms using this recursive function. So very good, very good. Okay, you run the program. Run the program. Yes. Okay, Rahul Kumar. Rahul, you are from where?
Bihar.
I mean, which from which board?
What, sir?
No, no, board. Which board? Which board? Which? I mean, BR board. Okay.
Bihar board, yes, sir.
Okay. 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 So you enter the index to get the Fibonacci series. Okay, you enter as per your wish. The value of Fibonacci number at position 4 using recursive approach. Recursive what is the approach is to? What is the meaning of that? I think we are getting some. You just show me the program once again. I missed something. Okay, the recursive fib. Enter the index of the Fibonacci series. Okay, that is this. One thing you missed. Okay, one thing you missed. the value of the Fibonacci number at position percent using a recursive approach. Number. The number.
So program is correct, but sentence is somewhat confusing.
So that I got. So what was the question there? Let me check the question. One term or many terms write a recursive function to print the first n terms of the Fibonacci sequence. Okay, you see, Rahul, your logic is correct. But I asked to print the n terms. That means you have to call these within a loop. Within a loop. Otherwise, how it will be printed? So n terms, if you just put say 5, then first 5 terms will be printed. So 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, yeah, that you got my point. So your function is correct, but I asked you read the program, you read the problem statement once again and try to write that accordingly. So one loop is required. Any other student who can share this one? Okay, Rahul, your function is correct. You modify the main only. Main only. You have to call several times. Okay. Thank you. You stop sharing. And another student who was saying something on this. Anyone? Any other student who can share 7? N number of terms you have to print. Okay, Riddhiraj, have you written that?
Sir, number 10.
No, number 7. That
yes, sir.
Okay, you saw that. Rahul, your program is correct, but in the main you have done mistake. You just fix.
Yes,
call it. In a loop, you call it several times, 5 times. In case of the 5 terms have to be printed. Okay, let me check. Fibonacci n minus 1 minus I. Fibonacci n. So, will you explain what you have done? Recursive function. It's a recursive function. So, your fib must call the fib once again. Fib n minus 1. Okay, you have done this in this way. Okay. You run the program. Okay, this is another approach. Okay, but the last comma, how you handle that? Okay, your program is correct, but the last comma that you handle, how you handle that last comma? You have used static. Okay, the value will be, increased in storage.
Yes, if then otherwise for each recursion A will be
Yes, very good. Okay, but the last comma that's in the output, how you eliminate that?
Sir, I haven't thought about it.
Okay, so you just go to the last line of your main.
Yes, sir.
Yes. You go to the next line. You write printf. Let me check whether it works or not. Printf within double quotes \b. Okay, then comma semicolon. You give semicolon and then you run the program. Let me check whether \b works here or not. I think it will work. We'll give some value. It is not working, huh?
No, sir.
Oh, you write \b twice because some space is there.
Like this?
Yes. That twice b can also be written, but let me check. It is not working, huh? So \b that works in a similar fashion like your backspace, backspace. But
Yes,
it is not working. Backslash. It is not working. Okay. Better you give one space in between. Remove the comma, then that will be the spaces in between, and okay, you don't need to think this one. So the answer is correct. Okay. Now,
So
any
number
other
10.
number 10. Okay, you share your screen for number 10.
So this is number 10.
Let me check. I will not ask you to explain, but we'll come to the next student who will explain what he has done. Okay, equals 1, 2, small is equals to 11. So in another way, these circuits can also be solved. Hmm. Another way, this can also be
So I
solved.
solved it another way.
You know, the Euclidean method of solving, that is another method
Yes,
exists.
sir. Yes, sir.
You know that, no?
By subtracting.
Yes. Okay, but no, you don't need to explain anything. So you have done enough in the okay, you run this one, and I will check the output. Ridhiraj, okay, it's fine with you. I will come to the next student and ask them. Okay, Ridhiraj, you are from computer science, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.
Sir, it is working.
Okay, we will get one good student in that case. Computer science. Okay, you withdraw your screen. Now, Mohanab, you want to share once again? No. New students. Any other student who want to share? 10. Rahul?
Sir, can I share?
Okay, you go for Hamsa. Hamsa Tejas. Tejasin, you are from where?
What, sir?
You are from where?
Place, sir.
Yes, his place. Right now, this is place. Okay.
Hyderabad, sir.
Hyderabad. Okay. So, Hyderabad. That's a very okay. So at the end, I will just ask one question on Hyderabad to all the students. Okay, then Souvik will share after you. Okay, Hamsa, you share. Andhra Pradesh is very, I just like Andhra Pradesh because of several reasons. And every year, many students from Andhra Pradesh, they come here to study here. Many students from Andhra Pradesh, many. Okay, Hamsa, you share your screen, and after that, Souvik will share. And that will be the end of the today's class. And the next week, the entire throughout these 3 hours I will be with you, sometimes taking vivas and sometimes sharing screen, sometimes explaining something new topics. Okay, throughout the 3 hours, not I will be with you. Okay, let me check. Yes, very good, very good. Yes, you run the screen. I run the program. Enter 2 numbers. Okay, 2 numbers. You say 5 and 15. 5 and 15. Okay, then run once again. Okay, Hamsa is from computer science. Okay. Say 7 and 9. Yes, very good. Okay, you stop sharing. And the last student, he is Souvik. Okay, Souvik, he is from computer science. Okay, Souvik, you share your screen. So students from other stream, they are losing interest, and they are a few students, they are always sharing the screens. I ask other students to just motivate yourself. I mean, I should motivate, but I am failing to motivate you. Okay, you should come forward and share your screen, because I generally keep some marks for this type of sharing their screens. Okay, though you will submit, but still, I want to interact with you in this way. So, Souvik, you just show me GCDMN else printed. Yes, who are you? Neha.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Neha, today, okay, I will come to you. Neha, you wait. You are from electrical. So after this, Neha will share, and she is the last student who will share the screen. Okay, let me check this one. A modulo B equals to 0, return B else BCD. Okay, okay, modulo. Very good. This will work, I think. And let me check the two conditions, m greater than m. Yes, yes, yes. This is another good way of, and I prefer this one also. Okay, you run the program. Very good. So weak. Very good. You give 7 and 9. Okay, okay, 45 and 60. 45 and 60. 45 and 60. Okay, 15. And then 7 and 9. I'm very just waiting to meet with you, students. They're very good students. But unfortunately, I will not, probably I will not take any class in second year. In third year onward, I just will take class, and first year and third year onward. This is one. Okay, okay. So if you have DBMS in the next, I think, no, DBMS is in your fifth semester or seventh semester, then I will not take your class in the next semester. Okay, okay, you withdraw your screen. Robi, you are a good student. Okay, very good, very good. Now, Neha,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
yes, you share. Share your screen.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, is it correct like in this way?
Let me check. Let me check. Yes, it is correct. It is correct. You run the program. It is correct. GCD, you are calling GCD.
Like, sir, which number should I input or like?
The same number, 45 and 60. It's good. Okay, it's good. It's good.
Is it visible, sir?
Yes, yes. The next 7 and 9, the same input.
So can I put 170?
170.
Yes, sir.
Why?
It's my favorite.
Okay,
9.
you 7 and 9, that will not work. Okay, you enter 9 and 7. The 7 and 9.
So I have entered like GCD of.
No, no. You entered 7 and 9 in that sequence.
Acha.
You have written that, na? A greater than B, else.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So 70, and you want to enter 70 and 100. Okay, you enter 70 and
So
100.
170.
170 you enter. Why you want to enter this particular value? Is there any specific reason?
No, sir. Like it's quite easy. Like both of
Okay,
them are
okay.
simple.
Okay, okay, you do it. Okay, very good. Okay, okay, thank you, Neha.
Can I stop
Electrical
it?
engineering. Yes, you stop sharing. Electrical engineering is another very good department. I intimated earlier.
So can you see my program?
Next day, you okay, you share your screen. Abroad.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, Neha, what's your roll number? 58. Electrical engineering.
Electrical
58.
58, sir.
Okay, let me note down it. I forget to note down. Yes. IIT Electronics. Abroad. Abroad Niyogi. So Abroad. So Abroad is the last student.
Yes, sir. I have shared.
Let me check. Will you be able to increase the size, font size?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you do it. Remainder. While b not equal. What is your logic behind this remainder? You are finding out remainder a equals to b equals to remainder.
Sir, like when I find the GCD of 10 and 7,
Hmm.
first 7 will divide 10 and the remainder, which is 3,
Hmm.
that remainder will divide 7.
I
And
got
that
that. Okay, okay. I am asking you because you just try to remember. One of our students, he has done it in another way. Just change during calling GCD, change the sequence of AB, sometime AB and sometime BA. Okay, you run that. Whatever you have done, I should check that. Okay, you run the program and input the same numbers.
45
You run it. Let me check. 35, 9, 45, 60. Yes. Then 7 and 9. Ashish Kumar left the meeting. Okay, good. Okay. Then 70 and 100.
1700.
Yes. Neha likes this sequence. Riddhiraj left this. Okay.
Yes,
10. Okay, thank you all of you. So next week we will meet at 2:30. And
Hello, sir. Can I ask
yes,
something?
yes, you asked.
Sir, the last lab class will be on 7th April.
The last class, you are asking about last class?
Yes, sir.
Ruturaj,
Last
Mohammed?
lab class will be on 7th April. You said as before.
Yes.
That, sir, the class will be online or offline? From 6th we will be
So
on the
all
class.
of your classes will be in. So will you join before that?
Yes, sir. From 6th, sir.
yes, and we are having our like ticket on like 5 itself.
Okay,
Yes,
that
sir.
class will be
From
that
6th
class.
we are joining, sir.
From 6 you are joining. Okay, that class will be in online mode because already you got the notice that all of your classes, the remaining classes will be in online mode. Okay, so we are also intimated like that. None of your classes will be in offline mode. Okay.
Sir,
Yes,
sir,
obviously.
was my code correct?
Yes, it was correct, no? It was correct. Okay, I have noted your roll number also, 40 electronics.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
It's correct. Okay, it's good. Okay, it's very good. Okay, Mohanna, no offline classes for you. And you are lucky that you are starting from your second semester. You are in offline mode. Okay. Okay, and you will be able to enjoy our campus. That's a very good campus, I'm telling you. So many amenities are there, many clubs are there, swimming pool is there, badminton court, many things you'll be able to enjoy. And a garden in front of gardens, greenery, plenty of greenery there in our, and you will be, when you will be joined, and you are from civil engineering, so you know.
Sir, how are the hostels?
Hostels are good right now, but because the long 2 years, 2.5 years, then it was empty in the vacant. So now I think I don't know how they have cleaned that, sanitized that, but I think probably they will do it. Okay, but whatever may be the, the situation, you will enjoy the hostel. Like the students, your friends will be with you. You'll be able to discuss with each other. Okay. Within say, I think within 15 days, everything will be restored in the previous conditions. Okay, everything will be opened. The cafeteria, your canteen, everything is there. And one hospital, right now when I joined the institution, the hospital was not so good. Right now, the 24 hours you'll be able to get one doctor there. Thank Ross is within our campus. 3 banks are there: State Bank, UCO Bank, Punjab National Bank. ATM is there. One Bidisa Jheel is there. One student Bidisa, named Bidisa. He just that was a sad event. Okay. So that Bidisa Lake is there, and you'll be able to visit the botanical garden at
Sir,
the.
is the story real, sir? Sir, is the
Yes,
story real about Bidisa
that,
Lake?
yes, that's why. I also, just before joining the institute, that event happened there. So I asked many others, so they all told me that yes, it's real, Bidisa Lake. And just beside the Bidisa Lake, there is a clock tower. Our logo is for that, and one, the area, like your. Okay, you will come to know one when you come, everything I should not disclose. You will just 2 days, 2 to 3 days, you have to just go around there and you have to know everything. Some Netaji Bhavan, some Lords or ground. Lords is there. Lords means some ground cricket matches. You will be able to enjoy it. And moreover, the Tech Fest, Instro, our Tech Fest, Instro, and many other events. Many events. Okay. Now you
Sir,
wait. Yes, yes.
sir, in Viva, will you ask like theoretical question, or do we need to share our screen and write code in front of you?
No. I will not ask you to write codes. Okay, I'm telling you that because that is not possible. 10 to 15 minutes. I will not ask you to share your
That
screen.
will be like theoretical questions.
No. From your the practical questions. Okay, I will ask um, questions from programs also. Okay, because I am already checking. That's why I am already checking what you are doing. Okay, you know. So generally, during Viva, we ask the students to share their screen, to share some programs, but I am not doing that. I'm doing it right now. I'm noting everything. I'm just noting down everything. Okay. So, uh, so you want that you will write programs in Viva. I can think for that also if you think so. But within this 10 to 15 minutes, how you write the
Yes, sir,
program
that,
and
I don't think
so
that will
that
be
is
feasible
not
for
possible
everyone.
because already I'm checking assignments. Okay, so it in the
Yes.
programs there. Okay, it will be. I will not ask you to share your screen. Okay, I should tell you that earlier. So Arunabha, you want to say something, Arunabha?
Yes, sir. From which day Viva will be start?
Okay. I today by within 1 or 2. I am telling you within. It is not before 5 days. So after 5 days, it is going to be. So today is 10. So not before 15th. I will just take your Viva. By this right now it's 5:18. So by 8 p.m. today or by tomorrow, I will just publish that list of names in the Google Classroom. Okay. So you will get 5 days, at least 5 days you will get. Okay.
Okay, sir.
At least 5 days you will get. Okay. Okay. Now you wait for 1 minute. 1 minute. It's 5:19. You wait for 1 minute. Okay. 1 minute. I will check something and then.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, 18 to 22 March, I not able to give Viva.
Okay. That will be considered. That will be considered. So
Okay, sir. Thank
okay,
you.
I will publish the. I guess in emergency cases, in some other cases, I will just consider that. Okay, but not in. I just want honesty from your side. Okay, if you are honest from your side, then why should I force you to give the Viva on that particular day also? I should consider, no? Okay. So I will publish the list and you have to intimate within 1 or 2 days. Then I will incorporate some other names there in that place also. Okay. But you have to be honest from your side also. Okay. So as you wait long, your syllabus will be increased also. No? So those who will give the exam first, their syllabus will be less than those who will give Viva later. So I'll randomly select some students and do it accordingly. It will be in favor of you, everything will be in favor of you. You don't need to think. Okay. So 1 minute. 1 minute. You just give me 1 minute. I will just. Hmm? Most of the students have not submitted assignment number. Okay. Okay. Some students are not submitting. Say for example, Sudipto from civil engineering. Sorry, not Sudipto. It's I want to just
I
Nilabho.
submitted, sir.
No. So Nilabho. Civil engineering 70. Nilabho.
Sir, he got neat, sir. He
You are saying about that student, no? Someone was saying. And Nitin missed two assignments, and Shivangsu one assignment, and some other students they are also not submitting. Some computer science 60, he is not submitting. computer science 59. So, okay, better right now. I think most of the students left the meeting. So, the next class at the beginning, someone, Shreyas, are you there in the meeting right now? Shreyas? Okay, Marnav, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, in the next class at the beginning, you just remind me that I will just tell the name of defaulters. Okay, those who have not submitted in time, so you just remind me on that particular day.
Sir,
Okay,
what name, sir?
so you just intimate me, you remind me that, sir, you tell the name of the students who have not submitted their assignments properly. Okay,
Okay,
you
sir.
just remind me that at the beginning. Okay, Anubhav, you also just keep in your mind. So Marnav and Anubhav, you just remind me regarding those who have not submitted the assignments and very low submission. I will just intimate their names in the class. Okay,
Sir,
further they,
sir,
yes, Abhishek.
sir, due to the confusion, in one assignment I have submitted, I think it was 5 and I have submitted in 6. But in
That
next
is the
3 I
case
have,
of late submission. But I am telling you, those who are missing at all, they are not submitting anything. I'm just telling about that. Okay.
okay,
Okay.
sir.
So I will consider. Obviously, you are a good student. You have shared the screen. I noticed that. That's why I am just interacting with you. So maybe due to some reason they may fail to submit so within the due date.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Yes. Ma'am.
Sir, in my case, sir, actually, sir,
Okay. Okay.
assignment number
You
2, it was turned late, sir.
you don't need to remind me these things because I am here, I am interacting with you, so I know what may be the reason. Okay, so that
Okay,
is the
sir.
reason I am just giving this time with you. Okay, I am. So you see, one by one I am checking your programs. So generally I have one research scholar. I can assign him to, in every lab. So when you will be in your upper semester, you will find some research scholars, some Tech students. They will be there with their professors to assist the professors. But I am asking you one by one. Okay, so because you see, I am not taking any help of my PhD students, my Tech students. I am just interacting with you directly. So that is the only reason that maybe some students they fail to submit within the timeline, but I should consider that. Huh? If you are a good student, I should give you good marks in that particular case. Okay, now you leave the meeting. Thank you, all of you. Okay, thank you, all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So
Thank
you
you,
buy
sir.
your ticket and join the institution. Okay, okay, okay. We
Yes,
are
sir.
waiting for you.